Today in the livestock market, cattle gapped lower. That boxed beef values are struggling, and optimism just seems to be pretty hard to come by right now, even though cash prices were a little bit higher. But the market just seems to be in a little bit of a sell-off, perhaps because the feeders did fall further and the beef demand is a concern for the fourth quarter. So there's worries that the opening of the economies and the expansion of the food service industry is going to be sluggish or maybe a big slowdown. That's going to have an impact on demand for beef, for the entire beef complex. And there is some concern about that as we move into the fall months. Now, hogs were mixed today. The sideways trade just continues. We've been in this channel for a couple of weeks now, and I think that the gains in the cutout values as well as cash prices are strong as well, but they really weren't enough to move the needle. It sure seems that the market has established this fair value range, and traders seem to be okay with it, and that's why the market's kind of staying there. Now, December is trading at a discount to October, so there's other issues technically in the market to really be watching for. But there is some caution by some of these traders that that the long-term demand may not be there or may not come in soon enough, and perhaps that's why the move up in this market kind of stalled out. But the fact that it's holding its own, I think, is a positive in itself. So that's something to watch for, and we'll see as next week unfolds, our first full week in October, if we can get a little bit better news for the livestock complex.